language is a struggle. And there are many examples like these that are very similar and have similar themes in other languages. What I am saying is nothing new. What I'm saying is nothing special. People that are studying other languages other than their home country's language deal with similar issues, but in a different way. I get it because I'm multicultural and I've been there, and that's how I relate to all of you. When you approach me with an issue, I can find the source of your problem. However, sometimes because language theory is so vast, sometimes there's not a specific correct answer because every learner is different. I will repeat that one more time. Because language theory is so vast and because there are many variables to learning a language that's so complex, I'm not studying a subject. I'm not studying math. I'm not studying science, social studies, history. I'm not studying subjects. I'm studying a language, which is, in my opinion, more complex. As I mentioned to you earlier, and I've possibly mentioned this over the streams many times, at the University of Toronto, we learned about language theory in different theories. Vast amount of knowledge and theories on how to learn a language. But it's not a puzzle you can simply put together for each person. Each person is a unique challenge and each person learns differently. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?